obi trim our social media, and it's about Yenyaba, that TikTok style from the Jackline Mensah. You see, with the pedigree of sending or imitating before anka na obey popular no share that imitating no to say Shatawale sending okay can send na performance. Yeah, that brought about the attention. Go for the omadwen ban so na e di na bedu baby we na when na recently your call show be a pause here for a host in bisa na question say Yenyaba se wonu baby a wadui ana baby a we se obema bi pel no say a person no oko on a date na oba or the Trotro na eba will you go out with such man no car say the reply no trust say oh yeah no problem you and a bema na obisa no questions ebisa say no Jacqueline uhwe baby a wadui ya woni bema obefa Trotro ebeko date na no ka say baby a madui pa de na mpo emmom say yebeya we will pick my car and no kind na as minim say ne ba say bloggers o say nkofo ben o akofa caption no a che say girl say onu de be mo for Trotro de on pe end people are bashing her on the social media. People are really bashing her kofo akom ne DM e kan yo mo ye den e pe ebusuafo me pese enye se me na me de asem bi ai den apatra e be kire yen kohwe video na ye bisa sa question.
No, yes, no, maybe, I don't know.
So be specific.
Love doesn't matter if you take Trotro or something.
Now, Jackie, where you have gotten to right now, your boyfriend is coming to visit with the Trotro.
I don't dare no lie.
So would you date or not? Would you date or not?
Oh, I will. I mean, we could share my car. I can even buy him a car.
Ha! Allah!
Now after summer gay a kind doing the interview no. Me mashe like there was no much issue about this. I don't know what share your opinion. But on him TikTok boys no. Comment association for no. Boys no come di omo no muti fie no. Hey, and a boy somewhere you go omo the one say they will bash you at any mistake away on social media and so no. But mo so mo bash gay ebi mo call into her DM. No more cancel. Na answer na me pese ye kohwe video na enkofo bashing no we friend part 1. Kofo bashing the first video or the buy na video no or kase. Ai after all she was just sharing her opinion. And the opinion the emfa momo ho. I had to say Ghana ni ye wo no. Enkofo hating nkofo and there's so much pain in people to the extent say uye bibia no mu di omo pain no abeya omo comment e dey aka kire o like odwenwu awon ti ase and so called bloggers na o si Paul G ni oh my god voice for na more international bibia omo fe bia negative news anything that they pick on no negative news asem no kan na kasem be ni wo hey send omo pain o ebi mo kasen ai no a celebrity no onye so onye celebrity kan no just sister star musumunye video ni bi hwe video no musumunye bi say ye ni easy ni ye ni keke musumunye bi na munye popular e de ni ho ye oni otan na nkofo ewo wo sa oman we mu no den so na ye den ye nwa ba de asama wo ye de o kire no e no so munye hu hwe ono omunye hu hwe omunye hu hwe na fe kra na wa hya ase ede ni pa ya ade a na nkofo tan ni pasa ebufianfo wo ma yenkwohwe video na ye nua ba yotimu se o kasa bre ho so ade no adwenwa ho se nkofo ye me on a reason a ade a ma kire ma adwen ho ade na wo se ba nsa ebufianfo wo ma yenkwohwe video no
So it's actually like almost 3 a.m. in the morning and I still haven't slept. And the main reason is because there's fake news circulating that I said I wouldn't date a guy who uses public transport. Okay, fine. Let's even say I said that. What can you do about it? Nothing, because it's my opinion. If you would quote me right. Say this and this is what I said. Why would you go around making fake headlines so people would just come on your page and engage and throw shades and insult me and blah blah blah? Well, GH page news or whatever you people call yourself, and oh my god voice and all the Twitter boys and LP people are very happy now after bashing me for something that I didn't say. Yeah, LP people are very, very, very happy, and I hope you all got your engagement, you know, as you wanted. Yes, because on a normal day you wouldn't get such engagement on your post. So picking up on somebody who is relevant to society, somebody who is trying to make it to the top, you know, you just want to use like a day to bring that person down. God is watching you all. Let me tell you something, you are not God. Yeah, you didn't make me. God knew the plans he had for me. That is why I am where I am today. I haven't even started yet. And you're all saying that, oh, she's just a TikTok star. Okay, if it's just TikTok star, do it and let's see. You even wish I was your sister. You even wish you were from my family or something. So do it and let's see. When we're trying to put Ghana on the map, I don't even know you are so full of pain. You are hatred. You are so bitter. Why? What have I done to you? Why? No, tell me.
Also, you people have not seen anything yet. This just the start. This is the beginning. I feel Yankopon be pedia na mana ko yi. Na make us say we no the buy na part 1 or the part 2 so by say girl no only 3 a.m. And match 3 a.m. and I'll buy to reply those comment people have been talking about her. And I'm again search on the next video no so say odwenwa wonti ase se nkofo fele se ope trends a this is not what to make a trend ono ne content ni nyoma oye o ne TikTok show no so any the osaye ye be friend say oya or that she sleeps a life na nkofo hwe no eno na e ma ne trendy but ono she will not do certain stuff na on fanya the trendy but she has now come to notice say Ghanaians are hypocrites. Ghanaians are hypocrites. And nyoma ehun ni mfaso nya twum nyoma ehwehwe nim nyoma e na Ghana for ye den epe she doesn't understand like we say the GH ni oh my god for penu say no no nya no they should take on and do whatever they want but now no who say no like odwenwa wonti ase like she doesn't understand it. Why as this thing has to be an issue? So be can just put mo say girl no ade any corner out mo say nkofo to me pa ni die no o hwe insult ani paragraphs me na me dem ho e na me say issue no kan ko carry no say sempo se be mani ni e be fa Trotro ko be ma yin su ne ka. So what is the issue about all this? Ebudianfo mo ma yen ko hwe part 2 video na ye ni aba I comment here and I'll reply about issues now for air passion.
The people that had the guts to come into my DMs to attack me. Ignorance. Majority of you are hypocrites. I don't care if it comes out as disrespect, but you all have even disrespected me more than anything else. It's so not funny. And I even regret taking an invitation from Paul's Ghana to grace that occasion. Probably, like, all this drama wouldn't come off because I don't do anything for trends. The only time I trend is when my videos are going viral or I sleep live. I'm not dramatic. I hate drama. So what the fuck are you all talking about?
You see, on say na me catch us say Xposed hanom no munu abe mali mo elikem kwame amega seme kasa issue bi ba na ye ka ho asema. At the end of the day, I try to share my opinion. You can share your opinion by commenting and I will share your ideas. But this is my idea I also want to bring up. Say I had to say celebrity issue no eya hankofo because so obi share that ye popular kakra or TikTok in so a no she not feel followers need dozen na ohu say onya million views upon views a akese na dream ya ye say oye celebrity. Say no to say na oye free TikTok star to be a celebrity. Fine. They say yanya issues be a democratic chair say and say who born you cannot say popular. Come and look for those people because I'm gonna remember on you only hate on TikTok. Now when I me person me share my idea say issue no the girl talking no she was not asked the question based say no muti show so and na a topic when no otumu say post Ghana ni na all ye issues random issues otumu say yo no kwa na ebisa no and ebisa no that question and she answered and she shared her opinion. Fine. Ebimu say of Felicia a celebrity. She did not answer that question because she is a celebrity. Also, one share baby I will do na one kasana wo share me and one kasana wo comment what this girl's issue na wo bashing no. Bisa who say baby I be do abrabo now so be you obi. Na ya catch us say wo be date obi a or ti offer Trotro no the be or like or they no be ko date na. Argentina yes kind sometimes no. Your person you pretend say you're a hypocrite. Now as a celebrities need I show my opinion how they live their life. Yeah. Let me tell you something. When you are broke, when you are broke, now we name their over ya. Charlie, move on to baby. Because me who say Ubo say kofo e bashi dey na. This broke boys association and broke girls association. Because Ghanaians sometimes don't want to understand accept it say obi ye or so no super obi on the panic so ye. Why no person only broke person now? Sabaku share say na baku anyone else sorry. What is our problem clan here dey to my way one? And pause Ghana ni GHP no. Ni panic asem we check akra o. Was there much issue say na mo be ubun say ni asem be ba ni ye be caption no just to talk just to tarnish someone's image. Aklo ye young. She's now coming up. Ube dream say be a TikTok in anything. Maybe she has a career or person acting. Maybe a person ambassador for products. What does here? Or person tone nyoma. Or person advertisement. Maybe a person will do the anyone will do. Are you now bashing? Then I'm only sharing for trim about someone. And we know how this country is. Sometimes a caption you might give about someone and an issue about someone it to be kill or be brand down. And then like yeah, we have some more kind. It's just so simple. Me no bisa me. Me so okay. Yes, I will share my idea. It's in a comment section. Now, so what should I doing? I'm bashing it, but I'm on Jackline. You see, if issue but say now, oh, commenting, oh, replies, Anna. Do you know what is going on? Oh, man, for the chance or the background to come back at you. Yes, started catching Kwame Eugene say onim dress and yende. He has never stand anywhere if I am being corrected. And I'm being right. On Gina baby and Kassam fast saying for casting the dress na the dress in here. Because whenever she does that, you know, Ebema people will not pay attention on his brand as a musician. But people will now start to look at his video to see whether his dressing is okay. It won't pay much attention to it. Mame, if you have a different brand that person will carry, just not the TikTok star. Because TikTok now, me sure say you carry with phone and now we hear the open. So now, if you want to go forward, send your casa train and wash us and the mommy per manager, per crew. That's so I say that your way and every moving being over here. If you say a total one series put over here, and I put I didn't obey a per manager. No one to me no one tina the young Cassanchina because I did obey as just too childish for my liking. Because they say, oh, dear, 5 years, but say next time you should be banner for some baby now share opinion. You give people the platform to now see say your car some or ya not trendy until they will come and bash on you. So come on. If you were now by replying, it should have been something different. Maybe something that is not tarnishing your image. But this should not tarnish your image. This is even giving a brand to your name. Because right now, Castle to me, Bama or Kita Trotro. Bama be a broke beyond Mammy Jackline. Oh, bow up when we die. You're putting a brand for yourself. Me not be tell me home. Hey, I'm a submitting and I said, Sikaba Noa. Yes, I collect or hear the baby. I ban a quack of 5 hours. Make you shack for the banning up of Trempana. When almost a missing level. May quite my body now who is there. And I'm your men, my conform body. Papa, I'll begin on my body while you take. Me, I may dress me home. My Apache so Apache na me no. To say classroom, me anga say dey be make up see Apache with swag. I want who me personally, who me who they are me actually. Magatia say me angasa pache we swag na me nam dada. Put a brand on yourself no matter who you are. It's that ye. Ade na why no kra just a brand. Ebema bema o ye broke kra e man be churo e man be testo because he will let you know say ukra na mon baby we do level bi because man be say question or say with the level now we do say no. So you have a level. So maintain that level. Don't go down for some people. Ukra na woman commenting because if you issue na comfort churo and ade na say yo wait, one more. I said, what be deal woman for? No, don't do it. Keep that brand. Let people think, yeah, you are that girl that do not go for broke guys. And broke guys will not come into your life. You always meet the people who are well to do and will come and take your brand to somewhere else. But my share maybe I'm another sponsor. I'm a be and yet picked up on over movies. So come on, dear. Me tell what she other say now. So next time, which na baby need be question. Me now Ghana for be year. Now I've drew home here. I was young for me. I made you a day. I promised you the limo. I like Kwame and that. Aye, that's Sunday. Episode. Bye bye.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam Trotro fins ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo aje womo atum Trotro fins ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda